Every celebration starts with an invite. Create invitations in minutes. Just pick, customize, and you're ready to go. Start by choosing from dozens of event categories. Find the perfect style. Browse themes. From birthdays to weddings, showers to celebrations, there's a look for every moment. Designed to match your style and your moment. And personalize any design to match your celebration. Add your own photos. Make it personal. Edit names and update event details like dates and location in seconds. Get your design. Change fonts. And enable RSVP in just one tap. Track your guests effortlessly. Share your invitation your way. Download it. Send a link. Print at home. Or order professional prints. Celebrate beautifully with Greetings Island.